Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of How to Beer with your host, Nick Figgle. So today I have a cold brew cream ale. It's called Early Bird. It's a cream ale brewed with bird rock, coffee, and ginger. We're shaking things up this year with a fresh, bright take on a CBC staple. Early Bird Cold Brew Cream Ale is a refreshing cream ale brewed with bird rock coffee beans and fresh ginger. Inspiration comes from Bird Rock's very own signature drink, the Night Raider, a delightful combination of their house brew coffee and ginger kefir soda. Coronado Brewing Company, Coronado, California. This is 5.5%, and this is a 1-pint can. So we'll go ahead and check this out, give it a sniff, and then we'll give it a pour. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Check it out. So this is a cold brew cream ale. Well, it's not too strong. I mean, I smell a little bit of the coffee essence in there. Well, it's not too strong though. So let's go ahead and pour this thing out. Alright, let me bring you up here. Let's pour this baby. You ready? Here we go. It's very light, as you can see, lots of head. I mean, I guess cream ales really do get pretty carbonated or something, because the other cream ales I've had have really had a lot of head whenever you pour it out into your glass. That's kind of what it looks like there. So you can see that's going to take a while. So let's go ahead and taste it while that's going on. Alright? Alright, so. Alright, let's go ahead and try this thing. I mean, I taste the ginger. The foremost taste of this beer is ginger. Coffee, very minuscule, really. Not too strong in coffee here. Gonna have to say I'm a bit disappointed. I was hoping to have a little bit more coffee, coffee flavor here. It's really, they might as well just call it ginger cream ale. I mean, it's all I'm really tasting is the ginger. With a very subtle coffee. There's not much else really for this beer. I mean, I'd say if you see this one, this Early Bird coffee cream ale with ginger, I'd say skip it. There's not much here. I mean, unless you just want a beer that just tastes more like ginger, that would be the only reason. So I wouldn't get this again. It's not a terrible beer. I mean, I can drink it. I can finish it. But, I'm going to have to give this like a 2.7. It's just, there's no reason. There's no reason to get it. No reason to get it. So, that's the Cold Brew Cream Ale Early Bird from Coronado Brewing Company. I don't know why I had a hard time saying that earlier. So it's a cream ale brewed with bird rock coffee and ginger. And like I said, I don't really taste the coffee very much. I smell it a little bit. And I smell the ginger. But really the most I taste is ginger. The coffee is hardly even there. And it's a little creamy, but it's really not anything to write home about. So like I said, I give it about a 2.7 out of 5. It's a skip. to skip. I wouldn't get it. So, but if you do see it and you do want to try it, let me know what you think. You know, maybe my taste buds are out of whack today. That can happen. You know, so let me know what you think. But I'm pretty disappointed. So, I mean, I would say pump this thing full of more coffee or something, you know, because you're not getting much out of that except ginger. So, disappointed. Oh well. There you have it. Early bird from Coronado Brewing Company. Cold brew, cream ale. So, everyone, enjoy your day. That's the How to Beer way. Until next time, I'll see you online.